Zulfikar Ali. In this video tutorial, we will learn how to do web scraping from a URL by using Power Query in Microsoft Excel desktop version. So let's get started. So I have opened a URL, as you can see, and I will copy this URL, and we want to get certain information from this page. So let me show you. There are a couple of movies which are related to Pakistan best ever films made. So what we want is, we want that information like the name of the movie, the duration, the rating, director name, how many votes have been received, and the image as well. And if we see on this particular URL, there are almost 39 movies listed with certain information, right? So how to get this data via web scraping technique in Excel? So let's get started. So let's copy the URL first. Let's go to Microsoft Excel, and in Excel you will go to the data tab, click on from web. Remember that I am using Excel 365 version. Now the URL which you have copied, just paste that, click OK. Alright, so now you can see a navigator dialog window where you can see certain tables. Now we will be using this feature called add tables using examples. We will click on this button, add table using examples. Now the URL is being opened on top, and what kind of a data we want from this particular URL. So we have to provide some samples to this feature, and that it will fetch according to our patrons. So let's say the first column will be movie name. Press the enter key. Let's write the first movie, that is Mother, and you can see that is being written here. Double click on this, press the enter key. Now let's provide another name of the movie, that is Second 021. Okay, so let's double click here, press the enter key. Now when you provided two initial names of the movie, it has listed down, and let's scroll down till the end to see. So you can see there are 39 records as I mentioned on the URL. Now what we want is the duration, so let's click on this plus sign. Let's rename this column as duration. So let's provide first one or two samples. So the first movie is of 100 minutes, so let's write 100 minute. Double click on this, press enter, and you can see some of the minutes has been filled automatically, but some are still empty. So let's provide again a sample. So the fourth movie is Cake, and that is 125 minute here. Let's double click here, 125 minute, enter, and see, now it has been filled, right? If there is some still gaps, you can fill that out. So for the movie, as you can see, Gabrana Nahi Hai, that is, the minutes are not available in this particular data on the website, so it's being left as blank. So no worries, rest of are already filled. Now what we need next is the rating. So let's insert a column, rating. Let's provide a rating which is 7.3 in this case. For the first record, 7.3. Double click, enter, and we got the rating column filled, right? Then the number of votes. So for the first movie, it's 1273. 1273. Enter. For the next movie, that is 3141, so 3, 1. 3,141. Double click, press enter, and it has been filled now. Then what we need is we need the image, so let's add that. Let's write a heading image, and for the image you need to copy the URL of the image address. So for doing that I will go to that URL. So I will do the right click on the image and click on copy image address. Okay, so once you copy, go to Excel and just paste that. Control V. Now do for the next one or two couple of movies to get the pattern. So for the next movie, right click, copy image address. Let's paste that, and now you can see that the image URL has been there. We'll select this new custom table which we have extracted from add table using examples feature. Let's click on load. Is image function equals to image bracket open. You need to provide the source, that is the URL, this particular cell. Close the bracket, press the enter key. Okay, so this is how we can do web scraping using Power Query in Excel.